I'm John Hammond. This is our farm, new farm at Red Hill at Nottingham, and we're supplying the Olympic Village and the Weymouth and Portland sailing venue with a range of our fresh produce, carrots, parsnips, a range of cabbages and rhubarb, and also with cold pressed rapeseed oil. We're incredibly proud to be part of this. They say that this is the largest peacetime catering operation anywhere in the world, and for it to be in Britain for the only time in my lifetime to be involved in it, supplying with fresh produce, is just fantastic. The kids this morning have had an absolute ball. They've gone home clutching bags of spring green cabbages that they've harvested and bagged themselves. They've gone away with a carrot whistle and flags and all sorts of things. They're absolutely delighted. They've had a super time.